Hello guys, this is kitchen. Today
Chicken, are you comedy me?
we are chicken. We are making
Babulal chicken.
Babulal chicken. So this is salt. First
झटपट
we have to
झटपट टाइम ना
put
आपल्याला.
salt.
Then turmeric.
Then
Babulal
turmeric.
turmeric. The brand is Babulal.
The brand is G and G.
टाको जल्दी.
No, we are. Yes. No, little more.
Enough. Enough.
More.
So guys, these people are this chef are making Babulal chicken. They are adding
now
what you
we
are
are
adding?
going to
Ginger
put
garlic paste, turmeric and
Jeera powder.
Then jeera powder. Yes.
Jeera powder, yes.
You're right.
So this is actually a recipe for the marination. Basically, we can use all possible herb spices for the marination. So, okay, here we go.
So now we are going to put some kali miri. Chef Vishal is there.
This is Babulal's
This
Kali
is
Miri.
our all
This is
marination work is
Babulal.
going on. Okay. Our recipe name is Babulal chicken. Don't forget, guys. This is Sanjay.
Hello, how are you? So my
Yes,
skill, I will show you my skill. Sorry, one more time, okay? Okay.
Okay,
Yo,
this
man.
Former chef, chef before in home.
is so. Now
Back home. This is some
we are going to
cardamoms. Nice cardamoms they are going in.
Then we will marinate it.
Easy,
Use
man.
mask, guys. Use.
Going up and down. What an amazing technique Chef Vicky has. Amazing.
Yes. So
Speed.
Sanjay chef, can you tell us about your journey?
Yes.
Please tell us about your journey. How you joined?
I cook Maggie. I think I can.
Yes, Maggie. Yay!
I can be a cook.
I can be a cooker. And I'm cooker now.
And he's cooker now. Yes, see guys, you can be like a cooker. Okay.
Chef Vicky, so same question to you. How your cooker journey? Just can you explain?
Cooker journey is very interesting.
Sorry, chef journey. Cook become cooker or chef? Sorry. Okay.
becomes
So what is
chef.
your chef journey?
Chef,
How you started? Yes.
I follow Mr. Sanjay.
Hey! There you go. After this we will add.
Babulal chicken.
Okay, we can add. What is this?
This is pattar curd.
तो पत्थर दिल सुना था.
Yes,
So we
patthar
need to add curd, but curd
See?
is now patthar, so we need to take some.
Okay, so we have
we
to
need
add
some
this
time, yeah.
in this chicken
Okay.
for 5 minutes.
We'll add curd.
Add.
Okay, thank you. Tomato, chilies, everything is ready to go for the Babulal chicken. I saw. Yes, we started. Okay guys, so now we are going to add some dry fruits and nuts. Okay, so we will chop this combination. We need to take a fine chop. Fine chop of dry fruits. We can add it in this chicken right there. Okay, thank you. Video right me. Okay, so we are almost about to finish this Babulal chicken. Very spicy Sukkha chicken. We can say Sukkha Babulal chicken. Okay, so we need to wait for a few minutes. This is actually a delicious.
करून द्या आणि रोस्ट करून द्या पटकन.